Today we will talk about how to concentrations in the study. A lot of students ask these questions and everyone knows how to concentration on the study. But thing is that no one wants to accept the reality. Okay, because everyone has smartphone. Thing is that actually they know if we want to continue the studies, so definitely we will have to cite the phone first. But what happened, they also take firstly phone. I'm not saying this is a wrong or right, no, this is absolutely right. Actually this is actually absolutely right, but thing is that just try to think, if you need search to anything relate any study, and you just you want to search any stuff or relate education, so definitely just take it the phone. Okay, and but what happened when we also start when we also start find relate education stuff. I'm not saying, to be honest, I'm not saying that you are searching, you are messaging on the Insta, Facebook, Twitter or anything. Okay, so whatever you can think according to your pills, what kind of pills you downloaded in your phone. Okay, I don't know about your applications. Okay, so if what happened that you just sit on the chair and you just try to find relate education stuff on the Google, what happened, suddenly you also get message by the WhatsApp friends, by the Facebook friends, by the Instagram, and that's why you also think, okay, firstly I just check it the message and after that I will find it actually it take only 2 minutes or 2 seconds, but seriously you also don't know where your time is going on. Okay, when we just start the messages at the time, there is no 2 minutes, no seconds, no hours. There is 2 hours also not okay for you to chit chat with your friends, to find, to see all messages. So for that things, I'm not saying that just don't use the phone. No, without phone how can you search on the Google education stuff? No, you cannot do that. So just try to delete all applications which application is disturb your mind, distract your mind, like Insta, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, any applications. If you think that because of that applications you are killing your time, or you are not ready to focus on the studies, because whenever you just sit on the chair to start the studies at the time, because of these applications or this of virtual friends, they will not say to you that you just don't study. They will always say to you just focus on the studies, but they don't know that it's your time of studies or not. They don't know, but you know very well that it's your time to start the studies. Okay, and that's why sometimes it's easy to say that you are killing your time, you are passing your time, you don't know, but it's happened. Okay, so if you want to use your time and if you want focus on the studies, so just try to do it. Only one thing, first is delete all applications which is really useless, which is not working on your studies. Okay, second thing is how to concentration on the studies. If I will give you one example, and that example so really healthy, so strong, and you also can take it. Now what I want to say to you, when you are driving, okay, whenever you just drive by your Activa, by your bike, by your car, whenever you just drive, so what do you do? Like you just driving without consultations or with consultations? Just tell me this answer by the comment box. Okay, what kind of tragedy you just apply while the driving sections? Okay, if you just driving with consultations, please just tell me by the comment box. And if you will not use your consultations, or you will not focus the mindset while the driving time, so I it's not mean that I have need to say what will happen with you. There is a drastically accident, and in that accident you are not dying. Actually, a lot of people also dying, with people also behind you. Okay, so for the things, how is that possible? Exactly, this thing is actually, I want to tell you, if you will distract your mind, you will die, especially while the driving time. Same here, I would like to apply this statement. If you will distract your mind while the studying time, definitely you will kill your future, you will kill your studies, you will kill your time, you will kill your career as well. If you want to do that, just do it. If you don't want to do that, so just try to focus like as a good driver. Okay, so and second trick. Now third trick, how to focus on the studies. Everyone wants to successful personality. Okay, and successful personality, so much dashing personality, so much dashing salary, or a really good businessman, a really very good boss, right? So you also want to do that, I know that very well. So everyone knows, but thing is that no one want to focus on the target. If you will focus on the target, definitely you can achieve all things, whatever you want to do that, whatever you want to take it, whatever you want to buy it. If you want to buy car, if you want to buy bungalow, if you want to buy a lot of games, if you want to buy according to your taste of Apple iPhone, anything, it's up to you. But how to complete your desires? How to do that? You don't have money. Okay, till now your studies also continuing by your parents. Your parents also will give you money, and your studies is also going on. Okay, you also can purchase the books by the money, but you cannot purchase focus. It is free of cost. There is no any necessity to buy focus with some amount. No, this is free of cost. So what will you do? You will have to focus on the studies. And how to do that? Like as a good driver. Okay, second is, just try to think that if you want to become a successful personality, so definitely you will not waste your time. Just try to utilize your time. And I would like to highlight one thing, that suppose if you want to become a lawyer. Okay, so what will you do? Just try to click a pictures a really very best advocate. Okay, and court, and some books of pictures, whatever you want to do. And if you want to purchase a really very beautiful house in a beautiful city like Jaipur, Delhi, or in another country or Switzerland, so just try to click that pictures and just try to decorate in your room. Okay, just decorate in your room whatever you want to do in your life in the future, whatever you want to become, whatever you want to complete your desires, whatever you want to visit any place, okay, whatever you want to do that in the future. So just try to click that pictures and just try to set those pictures in the room, okay. And now those pictures set on the wall. So what happened when you will see those pictures? Those pictures is what? Those pictures is set by you. Why? Because you want to be like that. You want to decorate your life like those personality. So in these situations, what happened that you also can take automatically really very green positive vibes, okay. So by the energetic positive vibes, you will think to concentrations on the studies, because you want to complete your desires, you want to complete your dreams, you want to complete your whatever you want to do in the future. If you want to decorate your future career very beautiful, for that things you will have to focus on the studies with beautiful mind, with beautiful dedications, attitude, with conscious mind, okay. These are tricks gonna help you. No one can help you if you don't want to do that. If you want to do that, so just try to focus on the studies. If you don't want to do that, so just try to think when you will go anywhere by your motorcycle, and what happened? Accident, do it. And by the accident, maybe you are dying, but because of you, a lot of people also dying, okay. A little bit of your careless, a little bit careless in your life, you kill yourself. Same here, a little bit careless in your studies, in your focus, so definitely that things will kill you, will kill your career, will kill your successful of life. So it's up to you, it's your life. So just try to decide yourself what do you want to do, what do you want to do in your life. So if you want to be a really very good driver or bad driver, killing driver, I can say killing driver, so please just try to give the comment, so that of course I also can think that you also take my all things which I sharing with you or not. And if you got it that point, so definitely please just try to tell me that now you will focus on the studies. If you will not to do that, please don't do that. Please just think about your friends, just think about those people, those friends, those your elder siblings. Those are really very beautiful future, and now they are also enjoying the life with a lot of fun, a lot of love, a lot of dreams, okay. So for that things, bye.